Hi everyone, I'm Ireland, a medical student at SIU.
And I'm Savannah, and today we're going to be making a flannel hash, which has sweet potatoes, beets, and tofu, which is a colorful, high-fiber dish.
We're going to start by preheating the oven to 425.
And then we will want to go ahead and dice all of our veggies like this into about half-inch cubes.
And then we're going to spread our veggies onto the sheet pan, and we're going to drizzle with olive oil and salt and pepper.
Okay. Alright, we just got our veggies out of the oven, so now we'll start on the tofu.
Okay. So we're just going to add the tofu, cook until golden brown, and we're going to stir it occasionally.
So we have it cubed here, so we're going to heat up some oil in a pan. Now that our tofu is getting to a nice golden brown, we're going to add about a tablespoon of our soy sauce. Add to it.
I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and saute some garlic and onions in. We'll add some here.
And then we can now also add in our roasted vegetables. We can add in more of the soy sauce at this point. And then we'll also add in some thyme. And now that this is browned, we can go ahead and add some heavy cream to this and let it cook until it bubbles. Alright, now we're starting to get the cream bubbling a little bit, so we're ready to plate this. And that's our flannel hash, a super easy meal to make. It's colorful, delicious, has a lot of fiber.
Tastes delicious.